Well, hello everyone. We'll another try at full self-driving tonight. This time driving back or driving home in the dark. First time, I think, on this new software version. Oh no, like I mentioned last time, there was an issue when I was driving locally recently where it almost drove us into a wall, which would have been unfortunate. But anyway, we'll see how it goes tonight, and especially through some rush hour traffic. Let me go ahead and switch on the system while we're sitting here. So much construction and road closures and lane closures in this area, but I seem to deal with the lane closures okay. I seem to remember last time when I came up to this intersection to get up onto the freeway that it kept on wanting to choose the wrong lane, and I think that was on a previous version of the software, so let's see how it gets on this time. So here it should go over one lane and no signal again. Never signals when it's changing lanes like that. But it's signaling here to turn left up onto the road over the freeway, and then we'll exit down right onto the freeway. So we'll see how it goes through this junction. Turn. Right, okay. And stay in this lane. Don't know where you're going. Oh, I'm going to take control. It's all over the place. I'll submit that. Might have been confused here because that right hand turn lane is closed right now. But again, it goes back to my point, how is it going to cope with every eventuality and every, you know, possible combination of lane closures, or, you know, the types of things that you see as a human driver on a daily basis. I'm going to put full self-driving back on here. This is a filter. I've not seen it do this before, so let's see how it handles it. Oop, a bit quick. I'll stamp on the brakes. I thought it was going to go through. And back on again. So far, not really a ton of success. red light it saw. Submit that as well. Signal to come across. Okay. I just don't trust it. I'm going to actually take it off. It's really behaving very weird. Okay, I'm going to overtake here. Lots of traffic tonight, but the FSD not doing so well tonight. I don't know whether it's because of the dark or whether it's unusual road layouts due to construction. Yeah, not great. So to recap, it tried to get in the wrong lane to get onto the freeway. Then getting on the freeway, it looked like it was going to zip through a red light that was filtering traffic. And then once on the freeway, or on the on-ramp to the freeway, it then was like really, I don't know, like super indecisive about changing lanes and staying in the merge lane until the very end and not signaling, and being indecisive about changing into the middle lane and kind of stopping and pulling itself back in again. Yeah, just not confidence inspiring. So I switched it off. I might actually just wrap up the video here for this evening, unless there's anything else interesting on the drive here. Sitting in traffic is probably not going to be make the most compelling viewing for the evening. So I'll wrap it up. Bye for now.